In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Drive is an incredibly handy cloud storage service that lets you store and share files easily. And today, we're going to walk through the essential steps to set up your Google Drive and make the most out of it. Let's dive right in. First, we'll create a new folder. This is important because keeping your files organized helps you access what you need quickly. To do this, you'll want to start by looking at the top left corner of your Google Drive screen. There, you will see the big plus New button. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, you'll want to select New Folder. After you do that, a small window will pop up, prompting you to type in a name for your folder. You might want to name it something like Important Data, or any title that helps you remember what's going to be stored inside it. Once you've entered your folder name, just click the Create button, and voila, your new folder is ready. Now that you've created your folder, let's move on to sharing it. Maybe you want to collaborate with others or simply give someone access to the files within that folder. To share the folder you just created, find it in your Google Drive. Once you've located it, simply select the folder by clicking on it. At the top of your screen, you'll see an icon for More Actions, shown as 3 vertical dots, or you can directly click on the Share icon. Either way, this will open up the sharing options. Select the Share option in the menu. Now you'll be presented with a sharing window. Here, you have a couple of choices. If you want to share this folder with specific people, you can add their email addresses right here. They will receive an invitation to access the folder once you complete the process. If you prefer a broader sharing method, look for the General Access settings. You'll notice Restricted is set by default. Click on that drop-down menu, and you'll have additional options. You can choose your organization, or even select anyone with the link. Depending on your choice, you have to make sure to define the permission level that suits your needs. You can set it as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on how much access you want to give them. Take a moment to decide which permission level is best for those you're inviting. Once you've made these choices, click Done to save the changes. And just like that, you and your collaborators can now access the folder you created and work on it together. So we've covered how to create a new folder and share it with others in Google Drive. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing your files. Remember, keeping your documents organized and accessible is the key to staying productive. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Google Drive.